Hi guys, my Jenny. Today we're gonna play the kitty game. So today, I'm gonna morph as every cat that we have in this house. So first, Abba. No, not that one. I mean kitty cat. Kitty cat. Pum Pum, the one with the short tail, of course. Catnip died, so I think I may morph as Catnip. I think he was she, I forgot. I think it looks like this one. Who else? It's a kitty. Tucker, he looks like this. Baby.
Good day for a date. Bad day for Kitten. Makadandruff yan. Mag-head and shoulders every day.
Eluria has every cat here.
Free every day. Head and shoulders.
So I'm gonna morph as kitty cat for now.
Give Milo energy with milk.
What is it? Let's open. A plunger. Is that for accessories?
Tell me you're a chicken joy.
Yeah, I think. I wanna get those Star Super.
Only the Philippines' best tasting Jollibee Chicken Joy.
Want that K-pop glow? Try new Rexona Vitamin Bright with super antioxidants, super bright glow, and up to 72-hour freshness.
Come on.
Glow super bright with unstoppable freshness. New Rexona.
May bago? Uy, amin yan! Wow! Tamis na ala! Lambot! Mas nagpapasarap! Pita! Wow! Sa tamis alat sarap! Mas pinasarap pa? Pita! Gaganda! Isisigaw pa! Problema sa baradong ilong? Mag-Vicks Inhaler! For fast relief mula sa baradong ilong. Kahit kailan, kahit saan. Lakas sa boses mo! Vicks Inhaler.
Favorite ko? Kote ko blanca.
Delicious ba?
Di lang yarn. Creamy? Di lang yarn. Ito pa, gentle din sa tummy. Switch na! Kote ko blanca. Creamy, gentle sa tummy. Hair alert, your shampoo is destined to give you...
Another 24 hours? Okay.
Switch to new
Where's the
Kitten
cannon?
Shine
Oh.
shampoo. Formula with microprovitamin nourishes from within for shinier hair. It's not light, it's fancy.
There's actually actions here. Sit down. Lie down. Hello. Cute. Sleep. Sleep number 2. Eat. Nom nom. Ned. Oh, it's like that.
Inspired by Jollibee.
I want to see it standing.
Masarapin ang and switch to Nescafe. Buong sarap ng Nescafe.
Dance.
Ang sarap.
Yeah.
Switch to Nescafe Creamy White.
Oh, that's so weird. Scratch. Oh. Dig. Lie back. What the heck? What the heck? What? I can fly? What? I didn't know cats can fly! I didn't know they were doing like that! Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, what the heck?
ang mga
Scared.
tinaguriang river patroller.
Oh.
Ginagawa nila ito
Wait, why does scared look
kada
like?
linggo.
Oh.
At base sa kanilang obserbasyon, tila
big.
hindi nauubos ang basura. Sa isang araw nakakakolekta ng nasa 80 sako ng basura ang river patroller. Dito lang yan sa
Attack.
bahaging yung kanilang
Go
mga
again. Can
nakokolekta
Joyce
sumasang-ayon sa
face it?
proseso.
Wow.
Pinakamalaking punitan sa
Alright, let's go to Kitten. Wow, wow! I'm here. I need a break those. And one more. Alright, we'll get a burger. Let's eat it. What? Guess they restock it. I hope it's a gulunggong. It tastes like gulunggong. Okay, coconut. Oh, this is good. Now I need a... Or mischievous if you want. Alright. Now we need to go back home. Or go back to the mansion. And also, we have a tour on the mansion. But how are we going? How am I going to get a lot of coins? Shark. Wow! Oh, land on the water. Come on, jump. Come on. Okay.
Sinasabing sanay ang mga Pinoy sa patiniting bili o yung tinatawag na sachet economy. Ito ang
Yes. Here's our house. These are a little place. And look. Top. Yeah. Top. And there's getting the dirt. Oh, what's this? Aw, it's so scratching. Hi. Okay, sink. Here's a fridge. Open it. Oh, water. There's water. Is that milk? Yeah, those are cartons of milk. And probably these are cans. Hopefully cans of fish. Because if it's not, I'm really sad. Sauce! That's literally saucy! Cat trash bin! That's sauce! Oh, these are bowls for probably the cats, yeah. There's seeds. Oh, there's more bowls. Aww. There's treats. And there's water. Alright, let's go upstairs. Oh wait, I need to show the other side. And there's a random thing here. Go up. I'll just go up here. Like that. Whoa, it's actually an elevator. Yeah, I'm going. Oh, this is what it looks like. Upstairs. Oh, there's a...
Walang patid ang panayam kina Ruby at Ameline ng local at international
I hope it's not
press.
copyright.
It was a
Oh, jeez. Oh my god!
okay. I feel so lucky and blessed and working with Nicole Kidman. Oh, wonderful.
I hope this is not copyrighted.
Memorable. One of
Alright,
those unforgettable.
that's fun. One more treats, burgers, ice cream, vanilla strawberry. I love vanilla, but and strawberry better. So yeah, I will definitely eat strawberry ice cream.
Na ginampanan
Let's
ni
eat.
Kidman, Sung Yu at Ji Young Yu na nagkrus ang landas
So
dahil
good.
sa isang trahedya.
Alright,
Ayon
and
kay
then
Wang na siya rin nagsulat ng script,
let's run
hinanap niya ang
to
mga
speed it up.
dating aktor para sa
Okay.
serye, kasama
So
na ang
this
mga
is
gaganap na
where's your
domestic
check?
workers.
This is the
Ruby
cat's
is
bedroom.
incredible. As soon as I saw
Yeah.
the audition, I knew she was the one.
And there's
She
a
was the
rug
heart
here, I
and
think.
soul that we needed
Come
for
on.
the series. And Amelin is
There's
a
a
singer. She's
random
not an actor,
thing here.
or
A random
not a
room.
professional actor, and now she is an incredible actor.
Maging ang lead cast
Ooh.
members, bumilib din sa
This
mga Pinoy.
looks nice.
Wonderful.
It's
I'm
for
very supportive
relaxation,
in
I
the
think.
show, and I'm
And
so
you-
happy
this is
to
the
have them
top.
be celebrated,
The whole thing. And there's a
to
giant bed
celebrate
here. Oh my
life,
goodness.
to enjoy.
This is a
So,
lot. There's a bathroom.
I just want you to
Yeah,
know that,
swimming. Oh, that's a cute picture of a cat.
I love them both. I'm just so blessed to have
Okay, I will show that.
Philippines here with us.
The disco
Kahit
party
baguhan
room.
sa pag-ate ang dating
Oh,
OFW sa Hong Kong na
right
si
here. This is the
Annalyn
player
Padilla,
reacting.
naging madali sa kanya na mag-adjust sa pagganap sa role
Hey,
ni
that looks
Uri.
like me. Alright, come on. Let me just go up, up, up. Come on, yes. Woo! Ah, that was fun. Alright, what's next? Oh, it's
Ang anak ni
this thing
Kitten
here.
sa series na si Philip
What's
Wu
this
ay ginampanan
one?
din
Oh, it's
sa
another scratching pod.
Filipino-American
I mean,
actor,
another
si
scratching
Boy
thing.
Del Rosario.
Okay.
Mapapanood na
Oh,
ang
there's a
unang
little
dalawang
cat-
episode ng
cat
Expat sa
statue.
Biyernes, January 26.
And there's the downstairs. Sorry. Whoa, fish! Oh my gosh, let's go! And there's another fish. Oh, I want to see. I want to go to a slide though. But how am I going there? How am I going to get up there, man? Alright, let's just go up.
Mula sa kanilang DIY PVC pipe na alkansya.
I will
Ang
go
kwento
up.
niya, Pebrero noong
Up.
2023,
Woo!
nagsimulan niya ang pag-iipon
Yeah.
mula sa kinikita nilang
Alright,
ng
let's
kanyang
see.
asawa. Ay, yun na itatabi silang extra. Ano,
I think
binuksan nila
that's
ito noong
not the
December
way.
2023 para
I think
magamit
it's over
sana sa
here.
check-out
Yeah.
ng kanyang
But there's
anak na
stairs.
sa
Why is
puso.
it?
Kaya naman
Oh
laking
my
pagtitinaya niya nang
gosh.
makitang sira-sira na ang papel na pera na
Alright,
nasa
let's
34,000
slide.
pesos.
Woo! Ah!
Sinubukan naman nila itong ipapalit
Come
sa
on,
Bangko
let
Sentral
me
ng
swim.
Pilipinas o DSP.
This is how cats swim.
22,000 na lang.
By just doing like that to their
Ang
legs.
kanilang dinala
Okay,
dahil
wait.
sa sobrang sira na
Ah,
ang inabot
I think
ng
that's
2
everything that I
milyon
had to show
pesos.
you.
Ay naman, sa BSP,
I think
kung
that's
sakali
it.
magkaroon ng sirang pera, ayun, maaari itong dalhin
Wow.
ng mga otorisadong bangko
Here's
para
these
mapadala
actions.
sa BSP at masuri.
I already showed you them, right? But look at this. My favorite one is this one. The cat flying with its tail. Okay. So let me try it with. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Abba. Fly. Fly. Woo! Abba flying. Okay. Let's try it with Pom Pom. Alright, Pom Pom. Time for you to fly. 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 Woo. Sorry. Fly. Fly. Even though Pom Pom has a small tail in real life. But still, she's flying. Catnip died before, so let's morph him. I think this is what he looks like in real life before he died. Oh my gosh! Ah! He's literally flying! I'm flying right now. Alright, let me morph his Kit Kat now. Let me morph his Kit Kat. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. Oh, my mommy messaged me. I will reply that later, mommy. Sorry. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. Goodbye.